the alleged wrongdoings of the former principal of the RJ Kar Medical College and Hospital, Sandeep Ghosh, Times now had an exclusive conversation with an intern doctor, Anubhav Sinha, who claimed that he was falsely implicated in fake cases, including molestation, and had been forcibly failed and made to appear in 3 supplementary papers. He has also alleged that he was threatened to be kicked out of the hostel as well.
2021 में हम सब स्टूडेंट मिलकर प्रिंसिपल संदीप घोष सर के अगेंस्ट में देन प्रिंसिपल प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे। तो क्या हुआ, उन्होंने जो कुछ जो प्रोटेस्टर है उन लोगों को आइडेंटिफाई किया एज ए फेस एंड और हम लोगों को फेल करवाया गया। हमारे अगेंस्ट फॉल्स एफआईआर हुए। हमको हॉस्टल में घुसने से मना किया गया, हमें क्लास करने से मना किया गया। हमें जो सरस्वती पूजा ग्रुप है जो उसमें से निकाला गया। हमको सरस्वती पूजा में नहीं लिया गया। हमको कॉलेज का जो फेस्ट होता है लोबे लिया, उसमें नहीं लिया गया। जो हम ये प्रिंसिपल सिंडिकेट करवा रहा है पूरा, और हमको हमारे अगेंस्ट में सोशल मीडिया में फॉल्स प्रोपागेंडा फैलाया गया कि दीज आर द goons, not doctors.
Well, let me go across to Pooja now for more on this. Pooja, not only was Sandeep Ghosh allegedly corrupt because, of course, the CBI has taken cognizance of that matter and he's now been arrested, he was also quite vindictive, as the testimony of this young intern doctor suggests.
Well, absolutely. As Sandeep Ghosh continues to remain under CBI custody, some startling revelations are being made. We have spoken to the intern doctor of RJ Kar Medical College and Hospital, and he's made some startling revelations. He said since 2021, ever since Sandeep Ghosh took over as the principal of the medical college, there were protests that were going on against him. And these protests were in demand of basic amenities like common room, resting rooms for doctors. Remember, time and again they've said that there weren't any resting rooms for doctors who were on duty for almost 36 hours and 48 hours straight. So if there were enough of these resting rooms and common rooms in the medical college, the lady doctor who was raped and murdered may have been alive and may have been between us today. But this intern doctor clearly says how Sandeep Ghosh was consistently targeting those students and those interns who were revolting against the principal and the entire lobby that he was running. So since 2021, ever since he took over as the principal of RJ Kar Medical College and Hospital, there were protests. And this medical intern and also some of the other students were subjected to fake FIRs. They were threatened that they will be thrown out of the hostels. They were forcibly failed and made to sit through supplementary examinations. Sure. And the intern also says how false FIRs were registered against him, including molestation charges being slapped against him.
All right, many thanks for that, Pooja. Let's